Hello, welcome to LeetCode channel. I did the problem of LeetCode POTD, compare version number. So in the problem statement, it is given that two versions are given as a string, and the versions have one or more revisions. The revisions are separated by dot, and we have to compare the revisions from left to right, and this is starting from 0th index to after that is going on, and there is we have to ignore the leading zeros. That means 1 and 001 both are same, and if the version number does not specify a revision at an index, then we have to treat that revision as 0. And we have to check that the version 1 is less than version 2, then we have to return -1, or else if version 1 is greater than version 2, then we return 1, and otherwise we have to return 0. So we solve this problem using two pointer and strings. So in this code, I did that first I start I take 2 pointers, is I and j, and I have to check that the 2 pointers is for one is for version 1 and another is for version 2. So for I have to reverse until the both strings are over. If one string is over, then we have not stop the process. We have to check for both strings. And for before the dot came, before part, we have to transfer the string to the integer. So here I did this. First of all, before the dot part, I check it is a loop. So one after another, the string elements are come, and we have to convert this to the integer. And likewise, we have to do this for the second version also, and we check that if x1 is less than x2, then we have to return -1, and else if x1 is greater than x2, then we return 1, and again we assign x1 and x2 to 0. So if this any of case is okay, so then we return that, and or else we go to the next loop. That means we check for the before the dot part, and after that I check after the dot part. Whenever the next dot came, we have to break this. So in the loop is this while loop is going on until a dot is came. Whenever a dot came, then we have to break from the loop, or if anything no segments is returned, means return -1 or return 1, no one can happen. So that time I return 0. So let's run this code. It is accepted, and I submit this code. It is submitted. So thank you for watching.